morning, my people. Good morning. Another day, another vlogmas. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogmas content so far. I mean, you guys would have seen the Negro vlog, and I mean, hello
to them people. They just walk behind the car and then sit behind the reverse.
people don't care. This is Jamaica.
Sorry. It's your vlog.
Today I am doing a little bit of maintenance, on the body. So we're actually going to get our nails done, well, my toes at least. I'm going to get my pedi. I usually get like a white gel. That's it. But we don't even know if she's here. We've been trying to get to her and she hasn't been answering, so we're gonna hopeful that she's here. If not, it's gonna be a problem because my toes look like hell. You have to have the coffee. Why you not out today? Gotta have the coffee. Huh? Are you walking this way? I didn't even realize if you walked this way the last time. By the way, this nail tech that we got to, she's in Portmore. Which is good because at least we can just have somebody in Portmore instead of having to go to Kingston to get a service like this done. The only thing is I have my lashes to do and I have to go in Kingston for that. I actually need to confirm my appointment. It should be 3 o'clock today, so I'm gonna confirm it and see whether or not I have it. I can do my lashes today.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging.
Okay, y'all, so change of plans. I don't think I'm getting my lashes done today. My lash tech was trying to squeeze me in today because originally my appointment was supposed to be on Saturday, but because I was coming back from the grill, I wouldn't have made my appointment. So she's not able to do me today, and as y'all would already know because you saw the title of this video, I'm flying out. So I was kind of waiting to tell you guys because let me give you some backstory as to why y'all just knowing that I'm leaving. So I'm actually going to spend some time with my family and also surprise my best friend. So as of right now, today is Sunday the 12th of December and she doesn't know I'm coming. She does not know I'm coming. Okay, everyone knows but her. So I couldn't, in any of my vlogs prior to this, I couldn't say what is happening. I've been hinting to you guys that there's something coming up, something exciting, but I couldn't say what it is because she watches my vlogs. So now you guys know. Well, you guys would have known from the title all this time, but yeah. I'm flying out. I'm going to Canada. I'm going to be staying in Toronto, in the Toronto area. And I'm doing a travel with me so that you guys can kind of see my process of packing and all of that. And I really like watching people's travel with me vlogs, so I wanted to do one as well. Also, seeing that I'm in Jamaica, Jamaica is hot and sunny right now, but Jamaica doesn't really have seasons, so Jamaica doesn't really have seasons, so we don't really go through the motions like other seasonal countries. So right now my struggle is packing for extreme winter, and I don't have winter stuff. So what I'm doing right now with my mom is actually going through my closet and finding pieces that I can bring with me that I can layer, and then when I get there, my brother and my family is gonna meet me with a jacket, and then I might purchase a jacket when I get there as well. I don't own any boots as yet either, so I'm just gonna have to wear like sneakers or something with socks until I actually get there and do some shopping for some winter pieces. But until then, I'm just gonna have to layer up and stay warm. So I'm gonna show you guys what the pieces that I have that I plan on bringing with me, so you can kind of see like the things that I'm taking from a summer or tropical country type of wardrobe.
You gotta use the carry-on.
I mean, I haven't even paid for a carry-on. Remember, I didn't pay for a carry-on, you know? I just paid for a check. Yeah, I'm not sure. Like, I might pay for a carry-on going as well, but I'm just not sure yet. I just see how the packing.
Yeah, use the carry-on.
Could I use like one of my goddamn bigger bags or something, or my duffel bag? Yeah, so where does it go yet?
You gotta use something there for your handbag.
This one is mine?
Yeah. Can't extend.
Oh, extend out on the side?
Yeah. I eat my carrot 50 pounds now.
Oh, it's light.
So even though it looks short, you can carry a lot. I can extend.
Okay.
My one can extend.
Guys, I haven't even unpacked from Negril yet. Came back from Negril yesterday. Well, last night. What time did I reach home? Like about 7 o'clock? About 7 o'clock I reach home, mommy? About 7 o'clock I got home? Last night. These are some of the stuff that I have. I'm not going to be bringing all of these things, but I want to kind of go through and see what makes sense to bring with me, because I do plan on doing some shopping. I'm not really sure if we're gonna find much summer friendly clothes, because Canada is a little different from the US in terms of that. During their winters, they don't really have as much, you know, summer stuff out in the stores. But I plan on doing online shopping anyways, so I'm not gonna be like bringing a bunch of stuff. And I definitely know I'll be thrifting with my friends, so I don't plan on bringing a lot of clothing stuff. I just need like a couple things to bring with me, and just enough, to be honest, like nothing crazy. So I have this sweatshirt from my friend's brand, bootleg Rockstar merch. So I definitely have to bring this with me. I might even wear this, to be honest. I might wear this. I'm not 100% sure what I'm wearing yet, but it's probably gonna be this, or maybe this over like a shirt or something. I think I thrifted this from Muckle Thrift a couple years back. I'm not even sure. I think I did though. But I think I'm gonna wear this. I just don't know with what. I'm probably gonna wear like leggings, a jeans, probably leggings and a pair of jeans. I'm gonna wear leggings underneath this. Also bringing this pants. Okay, so this is what I'm looking like so far in terms of clothes. Like, this is all that I'm bringing. I'm not walking with a lot of clothes, plus I don't really have a lot of winter stuff, as you guys know. So I just brought like all my thick long sleeve thick pants, yeah, and then my leggings. I packed a bunch of leggings and like camisoles, like tank tops in here for my base layers, and that's it for right now. I have some stuff that have already been sent to where I'm staying in Canada, so I'll have those pieces as well. And yeah, that's it for right now, to be honest. I'm gonna be packing like some food stuff in my suitcase as well that I'm gonna be bringing for family and my friends. So yeah, that's it. Okay, I lied. I just added some of my mom's winter stuff, some of the fleece stuff that she has, to my suitcase. So these are like 3 different jackets. This is thermal and some thick kind of like sweaters. So that's what I'm looking like right now. On phone, this looks like a carry-on size, but it's really not. I'm gonna be adding like some food stuff, and maybe like rum and them something there to the suitcase. I'm still not sure if I'm gonna do a carry-on. I might, but it just depends on how this is looking by tomorrow night. Then I'll know. I won't know till tomorrow night whether I'm carrying a carry-on or not. Put these in a bag, Mom. It's my flight day. It's Tuesday and I'm currently in Montego Bay. My flight leaves from Mobay. I don't remember if I told you all this information, but I'm just gonna go over it again. My flight leaves from Montego Bay. It's actually delayed right now. It was supposed to leave at 2:45 and then it changed to 2:50, and then now it's leaving at 3:10, so it's delayed by 20 minutes right now. We stopped at the gas station, and we're not far out from the airport. We're probably like 10 minutes, 5 minutes. We're not far from the airport, but I mean, we're early. It's just about midday right now, so by the time I reach, it's just a good time to check in and just get settled until my flight is ready. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna have to buy food in the airport. I'm starving. But I just want to say this is actually my first time traveling to Canada. I've never been to Canada. Oh, yeah, I had to get something from my dad. So as I was saying, this is my first time traveling to Canada. I've never been. I've only traveled to the States. That's primarily where I went to a lot, and this is also my second time traveling solo. I've traveled solo before. I was very anxious the first time, mainly because it was my first time and because of the airport that I was going into, which was Georgia, and that airport is huge and it's very intimidating. And I had been in that airport like I think sometime before with my aunt, but I had company, you get me? But this time around I didn't. Well, that time around I didn't, and I was younger and I was just like, you know, for a solo trip kind of scared. But this is my second trip by myself. My mom actually comes on Friday. Today's Tuesday, but she comes afterwards. But it shouldn't be too bad. I've taken my flights from Mobay before, so I'm familiar with the airport. I do prefer Kingston, to be honest. I think Mobay is very rundown and it's far, but the tickets are cheaper. So my ticket was cheaper from Mobay, so I just decided to leave from Mobay. But the outfit that I showed you guys the last time, I changed the sweater, so I decided to wear this sweater instead, which is like a fleece sweater that my mom owns. I packed a few of her like winter stuff and I put this on. I had on a different sweater earlier, which is what I had showed you guys that I was gonna wear initially, but that sweater wasn't warm enough, so I put this one on. And I do have like a cami on underneath, as well as jeans, and I have leggings underneath my jeans, socks and sneakers. I don't have like a winter boot or anything, so sneakers has to work. The sneakers on my foot is literally the only shoe that I'm packing. Literally, I did not pack any shoes because it don't make sense. This is why I've always avoided traveling in the winter time. This is why I've always avoided traveling in the winter time, because traveling in winter is expensive. Because coming from an island, you have to buy clothes, and I don't want to buy clothes. So this is my first time. But the only reason why I ended up traveling for winter is because my mom was just like, I feel like going to Canada for Christmas. And she decided this very last minute. I feel like my mom decided this in when did I book my ticket? When did I tell her I was leaving? Like probably September. Was it September? No, it wasn't so early. It was about November. It was probably about like late October, early November. We finalized and bought our tickets. Initially, I was thinking of traveling during this time, but I was actually thinking of going to a different country. Funny enough, so that's some tea right there. I was planning on traveling, but just a different country. But then my mom was like, "Oh, you know, I want to go to Canada, spend Christmas with family," and I was just like, "Oh." So I changed my plans and just made it Canada instead. Plus, I get to see my best friend. My best friend lives in Canada, so I'm gonna get to see her. She doesn't know I'm coming, so it's meant to be a surprise. I'm not gonna see her until Friday, so I'll be in Canada for 4 days. How many days is that? 4 days before she even knows I'm here. But I can't wait. Why is the car talking so much? You want to open this? Oh, you see. But yeah, we're almost at the airport. Oh wait, shop at the airport? Okay. Doritos? I didn't know that. I didn't know you like Doritos. We're learning new things. Corn. You like corn and like the cheesy stuff. And we shouldn't be eating cheese, you know, with our sinuses. Oh, Jody commented on the video when we went to Mobile, and she's like saying that you're getting famous now because you're in all my vlogs. This is like my third vlog that you're in, I think. Yeah, I think so. So yeah, she said Daddy I get famous now. Who will tell you that?
Somebody now.
Who would that be? I don't know who that would be. But we're almost at the airport, so when I get there, I'll link y'all.
Oh, Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and dreary. Oh,
gates are full as hell. By my gate is really full. So I had to come around here to vlog because basically like everybody back there is packed up. People are sitting on the floor, standing, like there are no seats anywhere. And I mean, if there are seats, there are people sitting there, so you know nobody wants to like be bungle up with people. So I'm stressed out about it because we have to wait almost an hour before we leave. And then after we start boarding at 2:20, we don't actually leave until 3:10 p.m., which is like really annoying. So now we gotta wait. I actually think I might go explore the other gates because I haven't bought anything to eat, and I actually just remember that I haven't eaten. So I'm gonna look because I think the only thing on my side is Starbucks, and I already had coffee, and I'm not really that big a fan of Starbucks. So I'm gonna go and see like what I can get to eat to bring on the plane with me because all I secured is the rum. So I got rum for my best friend and my brother, and it was pretty reasonable. Well, kinda. It cost me, everything that you guys saw in my caddy cost me like 90 Canadian dollars, which was like 60 something USD. And it was kind of annoying. They had to give me my change in like USD, which don't make sense. It makes absolutely no sense. I asked them if I could do like get my change in JMB. I mean, I tried and they were like, no, only USD. And I'm gonna bleep that, but what am I gonna do with like USD? Like, what am I gonna do with it? Anyways, I'm gonna explore the other gates and see if I can find food. And yeah.
Of you. On behalf of the crew and everyone here at Swoop, we do want to thank you for your continued support and trust during these travel times.
Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging.
Might bob and unlike me too. No roof on my top and my babe see-through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I been all on my grind, so why I need you? Baby girl love my bob and unlike me too. No roof on my top and my babe see-through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I been all on my grind, so why I need you? Big flex, my swole up. Double cup and I'm pulled up. Niggas hating like hold up. What's the problem? I'm pulled up. Big flex, my swole up. Hard body, they fold up. Shorty say I done glowed up. Double text on my phone up. Fuck with your boy, I'm the man of the year. I'm not a fan of your peers. Serve him a fade, I'ma hand him the shears. He not the man of your peers. Heart of a lion, I'm trampling fears. I love the man in the mirror. Cry me a river to stand in the tears. You better stand in the clear. I'm going crazy, niggas fugazi. How would they ever gon' fuck with a kid? Put it on, baby, it do not faze me. Boy, I do not give a fuck what you did. Eating that kitty, she stuck to my rib. How can I trust him? He fuck with the pigs. Bro got a Glock and a couple of C's. He think about splitting a couple of wigs. Shotty my DNA, all real, nigga. Sweatsuit, all heel figure. And I ain't even gotta deal with you. If I ain't never split a bill with you, I got Hennessy and horchata. Baby girl wearing nada. grass growing from a cider. Bathrobe in his Prada. Fiji water by the cold glass. Granddaddy by the Ziploc. Flex season, I'm road running. I'm staying all on my tip top. Young man with an old mind, so I ain't worried about slight shit. I be up till sunrise. I'm staying out on my night shift. I got a bottle of bourbon, a bundle of honeys. I'm jiggy, I'm flexing the beat. Figured I hit it and quit it. I'm busy, I ain't got the minutes for texting that bitch. Came from the gutter with me and my brother. I'm moving my mother right out of the city. Bitch, I'm a star and they know I go hard, so I'm kissing them babies and signing them titties. Gold blingin' like Chingo, rock star like Ringo. Checks coming in back to back, I'ma line them up like bingo. Oh, I think that they like me. They be all on my wood tip, not a stain on my white tee. I'm popping all of this good shit. Big flex, my swole up. Double cup and I'm pulled up. Niggas hating like hold up. What's the problem? I'm pulled up. Big flex, my swole up. Hard body, they fold up. Shawty say I done